Good morning, everybody. I'm going to go let the funny farm out. I hear Annabelle. She'd be ready to get out of that jail cell of hers. I'm going to pause, guys, till I get over there. Annie, I'm coming. Quit ramming the door. She don't like being locked up, but it's for her own protection. Not only did we have coyotes sneaking around, but we got bears, too. Got a bear on the trail cam. And I'll insert that picture in this video. I hear you, Rooster. I'm going to let you out. Let me get everybody's food. Did you sleep good last night? Let her out of her jail cell, please. Now, isn't that better? I brought you some corn. Hold on, I'll give it to you. Okay, let's let Sunny out. It's always sunny with a rooster like you, Sunny. Hey, little kitty. How are you doing this morning, Rooster? Hey, sweet bunny. Hey, sweetheart. Hey, sweetie. Guess what? We had some people come and visit, and they said these were the friendliest chickens they'd ever seen. Good morning, Shirley. How are you doing, sweetheart? Listen here, you big-mouthed rooster. Nobody cares. Hey, Penny. Hey. She can come around me if she wants to, you smart-mouthed rooster. Hey, Lucy. Lucy and her big cone, it's so big it goes over to the side. It's so cute. Listen, Rooster, they can do what they want to. It's none of your beeswax. Get that to your little head. It's none of your beeswax about them. Little mean boy. He's a little mean boy. Ooh. What you doing, Rooster? You gonna be nice this morning? You're not? Well, that's not surprising. Little Norman. Look how possessive you are and controlling. Are you abusive, Rooster? You know it's National Domestic Violence Awareness Month. Well, yes it is, too. So quit being abusive. Look at him, how controlling. Oh, wow, it's abusive, Rooster. Hey, you better leave them girls alone, buddy. You better leave them alone, I mean it. It's none of your business, Rooster. Is it, Penny? It's none of his business. Did you find the bread I left you guys? What's he acting like he's finding them something? Ooh. He means business. Don't you, Rooster? Bye, Sonny. I'm going home. Drink some coffee. Well, see you later, too, baby. Y'all be safe out here today. I'll be back to see you in a little bit. Brought them some food, but I'm going to bring them some more. Sonny was over there breeding bunny. Sonny. You're supposed to do that kind of thing in private, Rooster. Probably can't even put it on my channel, you dirty bird. You're a dirty bird. You ain't supposed to do that first thing in the morning. What's wrong with you? Crazy or something, Rooster? Are you a nympho? You are? Hey, I'll talk about his sex life if I want to. It's not your business, Rooster. Bunny's a dirty girl. I see why she's always the second one out behind. She's always the first one behind Sonny, I mean, when they come out of the coop. That's because she's his dirty girl. Mm-mm-mm. I'm ashamed of y'all. I gotta put my rake up here. Well, bye, everybody. I'm going home. Bye, Sonny. I know, I done said I was going home once. Okay, bye, guys. Bye, Annie. I'm going home. I'll be back with the water hose in about an hour to refill your water. I didn't do it last night. I was so tired. Anyways, bye, guys.